Welcome. This is R. Premananda, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Averi. Welcome with another problem, continued problem on information theory and coding. This is Shannon's-Fano encoding algorithm. With this encoding technique, we have to find the code word for given symbols. Here, the question I dictate that given messages x1, x2, or to x6 with respect to probabilities, we have got the 6 symbols or messages with probabilities 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0.07 and 0.03 respectively as shown here. We have to construct the binary code and applying the sum by applying the Shannon's-Fano encoding procedure. Also, we have to determine the code efficiency and redundancy. Okay, we'll have solution. See, in this Shannon's-Fano encoding algorithm, first and foremost, the sim messages with the non-increasing probabilities has to be arranged. The probabilities has to be arranged in the non-increasing order. And then you have to start the procedure. Okay, already the given question itself is in the non-increasing order. So I'll write that x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x6. x1 is a probability 0.4 and this is 0.2, okay, 0.2, 0.1, 0.07 and 0.03. Okay, 0.03. See, in Shannon's-Fano algorithm, we have to split the given symbols and with their respective probability the two equal, approximately equal of. So what I do, here I am going to split this, the two blocks. See, at the upmost block we got the probability of 0.6, in the bottommost we have got the probability of the 0.2, 0.4, probability of the 0.4. Okay, next, they may have doubt that. See, if I have that 0.4 and remaining separately, and what going to be the changes? Okay, we'll see in the next class. Okay, after that, completing this technique, we'll see that one. So, after splitting this, the uppermost cell will be node with the sim message of bit 0 or bit 1, and the bottommost this will be applied with the bit 0. Okay. Then see the upper block can further splitted. Okay, so and again while splitting should take care that their probability should be approximately equal, not exactly equal. Their probability should be the approximately equal. So you'll have another block. I'll solve. This is 0.4 and this is the 0.2. So for this again I will name the uppermost block I will name with the bit 1 and the lowermost block with the bit 0. Similarly, here we can write this as, this is totally 0.4 probability. I will write this as 0.2 and remaining, that is 0.1, 0.07, 0.06. See, both probability will be of same 0.2 and 0.2 only. For that, upper block will apply with the bit 1 and the lower block with the bit 0. See, in the first three blocks, they cannot be separated again. So that the splitting of this block should be done in such a way that there should not be further splitting takes place. So this one, I'll write this as, this is the 0.1 and this is the 0.07 and 0.03. Again, I apply for the upmost block with the 1 and the bottommost block with the 0. Again, this will be splitted, that is 0.07, this is 0.03. So we will have that 1 and 0. So that finally I'll write the table. Okay, finally I'll write the table with the source or symbol, which symbol, okay, probability and their length and their code word. length and the code word. Okay. Okay. The symbol x1, x2 respectively up to x6. The probability of this is 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, 0.07, 0.03. So that for 0.4 we got the code 11, so that length is 2. For the 0.2 also we got the code 10, so the length is 2. Okay. And for again 0.2 we got the code 01 and its length is 2. And for 0.1 this is 001, its length is 3. And for 0.07 we have got 0001 and its length is 4. And for 0.03 we got 4 zeros, so the length is 4. Okay, with this you have find their length and their code word respectively. Now find the efficiency. To find the efficiency, I have to find the actual length or total length, or actual length, it's an average length. Average length, that is L. Average length L, that is summation of I is equal to 1 to 6. We have got the 6 symbols Pi into Li. What is Pi? 0.4 into 2 plus 0.2 into 2 into 2. Because probability 0.2 code word 2, we have got the 2 terms. Okay, see here, we have got the 2 terms. Okay, I'll write that as that. And plus 0.1 into 3, 0.07 into 4 plus 0.03 into 4. And the result of this is 2.3 minutes per message symbol. 2.3 minutes per message symbol. Then H of S, the entropy, that is nothing but, H of S is nothing but the entropy. That is summation I is equal to 1 to 6 Pi log 1 upon Pi. Pi log 1 upon Pi. Okay. That is 0.4 log 1 upon 0.4 plus 0.2 log 1 upon 0.2 into 2 plus 0.1 log 1 upon 0.1 plus 0.07 log 1 upon 0.07 plus 0.03 log 1 upon 0.03. With this we get the entropy as 2.209. 2.209 bits per message symbol. See, L I got 2.3, whereas H of S you got 2.209. With this the efficiency is equal to H of S by L. Efficiency is equal to H of S by L, and their answer is 2.209 divided by 2.3, and the answer is 96.04%. 96.04%. Similarly, under redundancy is equal to 1 minus efficiency, and that answer is 3.96, that is 3.96 percentage. 3.96 percentage. Okay, as I said, okay, this coding can be here. What I did that here we have topmost I have taken the 0.6 probability, bottommost I have taken the 0.4 probability. Another way, this is I call this is the first way, and second way we can solve Note that after this is the way of finding the code word, and its efficiency is 96.04% and its redundancy is 3.96%. Similarly, okay, I'll rub all this. I'll rewrite that. What is that? X1 X1 X2 X3 X4 X5 X6. This is 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, 0.07, 0.03. Okay. See, now grouping can be done. I'll do this grouping separately and all these things separately. And I'll put the coding. This is 1 and these are all zeros. This is 1, these are all zeros. Okay, next, this is wind up pair. Here, this is 0.2 and this 0.2, 0.1, 0.07, 0.03. Or we can code this as, approximately 0.2, 0.2. This is 0.1, 0.07, 0.03, and I'll name this. For upper block will be ones and the lower block will be zeros. Again further, I call this as a 0.2. Okay, this is 0.2. The upper will be 1 and lower will be 0. In the mean way, this is 0.1 and this is 0.07, 0.03. Note that try to make the equal. If not equal, okay, approximately equal. You have to consider the approximately equal. So again, this is 0.07, this is 0.03, and the coding is 1, 0. Okay, if I write the tabular column and the similar way as we written in the previous time, that is symbol. Next is probability. Okay, symbol, probability, and length, code. Symbol, length, probability, and code. Okay. What is probability? 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, 0.07, 0.03. For length for 0.4 is 1, 0.2 is 3, 0.3 is 3, 0.1 is also 3, this is 4, this is 4. The code for this is 1, this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, and this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is the code word. One, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, now you have to find that L. Okay, you have to find that L. See, that is average length with the formula I is equal to 1 to 6 pi li, that is equal to p1 l1 plus P2L2 plus so on P6L6. Okay, it is 0.4 into 1, 0.4 into 1 plus 0.2 into 3 into 2, okay, plus 0.1 into 3 plus 0.07 into 4 plus 0.03 into 4. With this, the average length, for this, the average length, that is 2.3 minutes per message symbol. See, HF is no change because the probability is not changed. As per the previous, that HF is 2.209 bits per message symbol. See, this both L and H of S unchanged, so that the efficiency remains the same. Efficiency going to remains the same, that is 96.04%, and redundancy is, as in the previous discussion what we made, 3.96%. See, there is no change in the making the blocks. Okay, making the blocks, there is no change. You have written the both case, step 1 and step 2, case 1 and case 2, and we got the result, the efficiency the same. Okay, thank you one and all. We will meet in some more problems in the next sessions. Thank you.